Prashanth, Placement Officer, Canara Engineering College. So today we have with us 3 of our students from Electronics and Communication Engineering Department, and all 3 of them have got into a company called as Cerium System, which is an EC core company. So let us hear from them. So before that, I would like you people to introduce yourself.
Thank you, sir. So I am Bharath Kamath. I am from final year EC, Canara Engineering College.
Hello guys, my name is Rachana and I'm final year EC student from Canara Engineering College.
Hello everyone, I'm Spoorthi. I'm currently in 7th sem at Canara Engineering College.
So could you please tell us about the entire process and how many rounds you had for the interview?
Sure, sir. So there were 90 eligible students from EC department who were supposed to take the test, and out of which 5 of us got selected. And we had 2 rounds for selection through the process. And first round it was divided into 2 rounds, which was apti round and technical EC based round. And technical EC based, we had questions from basics of electronics, and the second round was technical EC and HR round. So that was about it.
Okay. So could you please tell us about your experience and what were the questions asked during the interview?
Yes, actually we had a meeting from placement coordinator of our department that on June 30th around 11 AM we'll be having our test, that is apti and technical EC, short answer test from the company, and it was scheduled through Google Meet. I mean, they were proctoring through Google Meet, and the links were shared through Google Meet. But on 29th we had a placement talk from our seniors who were placed in the same company. But 28th June we had a vaccination drive for the first dose from our college for our students and faculties. And that evening, that is 29th evening, I was suffering from bad hand pain and fever. So I called my placement officer and I told that I couldn't attend the placement talk, and I would be attending the test, that is on June 30th. And on 30th we had the test, the meeting link was shared, and in the meeting itself, the test links were shared. And then there was a negative marking as well. If the questions go wrong, we had negative markings. So the technical EC questions were based on the basics of electronics, that is op-amps, digital system design, and the basic gates and Boolean expressions and all those EC questions. And we were supposed to scan our solved copies, and we were supposed to mail them after our test. And after the test was done, we were supposed to get the result after a week or so, but we didn't receive that. And we were a bit excited to visit from them if we had been selected for the next round also. But we were a bit disappointed that there was no news regarding this company. So around July 10th or so, when we were having the training on Java from 𝗂𝐨𝐴, 2 of our friends got a call from a company saying that they were shortlisted for the company for the next round, that is technical round. And after 5 minutes or so, even I received a call regarding the same, and it was scheduled on July 13th around 4:30 PM. And the first question she asked was, tell me about yourself. And I told, in the interview itself, I told that we were having a training, that is OBE training from our department on 𝗣𝗟𝗖𝗘, and we had a subject in 7th sem as well. So we didn't have that knowledge regarding 𝗣𝗟𝗖𝗘. And then she asked me the basic questions regarding gates and conversions regarding octal number systems and all. And then my interview process was smooth going. So that was all about mine.
Alright, what about you?
My situation was exactly same as Rachana's. Actually, Cerium System recruiter called me on July 10th. I had high fever because I was vaccinated on previous day. I was not really feeling well, so I didn't pick the call. Then placement coordinator called me again and told me about the interview process. I was really happy, and as well as I was not really feeling well, but I prepared whole day on that day. I think I didn't slept, I guess. I referred so many YouTube videos, and afterwards I attended the interview, and my first question was tell me about yourself, and next was what's your favorite subject, and my favorite subject is DST and Verilog HDL, and he asked me about questions related to that, and it was actually easy questions like write a Verilog code on D flip-flop and Boolean conversion, Boolean expression conversion and NAND gate conversions. It's actually a bit easy, and it was a great experience, and he was really cool kind of person, and it went really well. And yeah.
All right. What about you, Bharath?
Yeah, sir, to begin, basically, first of all, we were in a 6th sem. So in our 6th sem, no one will be that serious about placements. And I remember I approaching you and you saying that keep your resumes ready, companies will be visiting you in the 6th sem itself. So basically, yeah, before the exam, we had a pre-placement from our seniors and we got to know that it was a core EC company, and getting into core company, being a EC student is a big it's a big deal in our department. So we were like, this was the first company which we were attending in our life of engineering life, and we were not at all knowing what to do, what to study. I mean, aptis anyhow we can manage, but technical stuffs, like we were not knowing anything, so we did not have any experience. So, but we were knowing some basic stuff of electronics and communication subjects. So yeah, the first round was apti and technical round, written round, and the catch was that she said it had negative marking. So apti round, okay, anyhow we managed, and we out of 95 got shortlisted, and for all those 90 students we had technical round as well. But even in technical round we had to submit the hard copy of the answers, like we had to show it to them how we have approached to that answer, and through the link which they have sent us, we had to submit the paper over there. And after that, we got to know from seniors that the results would be announced in 5 days. But that didn't happen. And after a few days, when the training session was going on, which was taken by the college, that is through 𝗬𝗟𝗏𝗧𝗏, one of my friend, Mr. 𝗦𝗨𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗧, texted in the group that I cannot attend the class and I'll be having interview. So similarly, after 2 minutes, one more girl put the same message that even I'll be having interview. But later I felt bad because it was the first EC company, it's a core company as well, and you not getting shortlisted for the company somewhere, and upon that your friend getting shortlisted, it feels a bit bad. But yeah, I just called him and just asked him, how did they contact you? Did they call you, or did they text you, did they mail you? He said no, they called me, and once I hung the call, I get a call from an unknown number. Then they are like, are you Bharath Kamath? You have been shortlisted. It was a joyous moment of my life, but I couldn't celebrate because I was in middle of my road taking to my mom to the vaccination center. So yeah, anyways, coming back, my interview was scheduled on 13, same day as of Rachana, but mine was before Rachana. So yeah, the lady comes and the recruiter comes, and the first question obviously is, tell me about yourself. So yeah, then she asked me questions regarding basic electrical stuff, like questions related to logic gates, which comes in DSD, that is digital system design. Then question related to programming, that is Verilog HDL, and few questions related to VLSI as well. So this was smooth interview, and it went around for around 45 minutes. And again, after the interview, my seniors who got placed in the same company said that the results will be announced in 2 days, but that didn't happen. Every day, I mean, all those 5 shortlisted students, we had made a WhatsApp group, and every day we used to text any updates, any call from the recruiter. It was a hectic process, and even I know I troubling you, sir. So that, did you get any results or any updates about the selected students? But on 9 September, on the auspicious day of 𝗬𝗟𝗔𝗖𝗘𝗠𝗏, our HOD puts a message in the group that 5 of them have got selected by the company. They're offering us, and that was the best blessing which I have received in my life. So this is my entire experience of getting placed in this company.
Yeah, thanks for sharing your experience. So what is your message to your juniors? Because every year they come to our campus and hire the students. So even next year, our juniors are going to write. So what is your guidance? What is your message to them?
I just want to tell them that start preparing for aptitude from 3rd year itself, because you won't get sufficient time to practice aptitude in 4th year. 4th year is all about preparing for interview rounds and all. So start preparing aptitude in 3rd year, like 1 hour a day, like that. And yeah, getting placed into EC core companies dream come true. And if you want to get placed in core company, just focus on core subjects like VLSI, DSD, and Verilog HDL, like that. Focus on that.
Yeah, I do agree with it, because getting into a EC core company is not that easy. I think it was 7.0 CGPA for you people to be eligible for the company, right? So thank you so much, guys, for sharing all your thoughts and all your experiences. Because I do remember, as they were mentioning, it was our first company to our campus. That was the first EC core company which came for 2022 batch. And the lot of challenges were there because of the pandemic, and they shared their challenges. We too had our own challenge with the team, and it was a great experience. Very happy that 5 students have been placed and 3 students are here and talking about their experience. So I'm pretty sure that you people also got to know about the company, the process and their experience. So keep watching. You're gonna come up with a few more videos about the placement and training. Once again, thank you so much, guys.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.